With Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Seeing a lot of sunshine in the early part of the day give way to more and more clouds, those high-level clouds. We'll have some of those passing around through tonight, and then more sunny weather out ahead of us Friday, probably into most of Saturday, the way it's looking right now, and then a little bit of rain possible on Sunday. It doesn't look like a washout, but some scattered showers or storms, certainly not out of the possibility for mainly the daytime hours on Sunday. Taking a look at Manhattan right now, seeing some sunshine through some of these high, thin clouds that occasionally coming through the sky, like you see in Topeka, starting to block things out again. 79 degrees. The dew point's up a little bit into the low 60s, not muggy, but maybe just enough that you can start to feel it. But we do have a breeze and comfortable temperatures, so certainly not much to complain about today. 79's been the high so far. It is 81 at Marysville, Manhattan, and Junction City, 83 at Council Grove. Forbes Field's up to 81 degrees, and the dew points are primarily in the low 60s, some upper 50s north and west. But overall, most areas have seen just a slight increase in the humidity. We talked about that yesterday. We've got up a little bit with these south and southeast winds, but not muggy yet. It doesn't look like the high humidity will be in until perhaps another couple days away, and even at that, not terribly high. Looking at FUTURETRACK wind, southeasterly winds may strengthen up to about 10 to 15 miles per hour for Friday afternoon, and then Friday night the winds will relax a little bit and turn more to a south direction on Saturday, and that's when we'll start to see higher humidity build in, as again the humidity levels will be moderate tomorrow morning through tonight into the morning, and then through the daytime tomorrow. Eastern areas may see a slight increase from where we are today, but most of us will be pretty close today and tomorrow. Humidity levels, not much change. Then we head into Saturday, and at that point in time, we will start to see this higher humidity building in as more green shows up on there, and you may start to feel it a little bit more on a sunny, warm Saturday. Here's a look on high-res satellite of those thin clouds that continue to stretch overhead. But you look down to the south, we do have what is now Hurricane Harvey that is in the right now in the coastal, or off the coast of Texas, I should say. Well, that zipped by pretty quickly. But what we see here, and unfortunately I apologize, meant to put some pauses in there so you could read all these, but current location of this with an 85-mile-per-hour wind, it's Category 1 hurricane. But when it was at this location near Corpus Christi, the projected winds are 125 miles per hour. Then it weakens to 50 inland, but it sits in place. And so very impactful for Texas. It does not look like any of that moisture will come our way. Now, we do expect to see some passing clouds through tomorrow. We'll turn partly cloudy to mostly sunny. And then Saturday, a little bit of some scattered clouds, but all in all, pretty dry through the first half of the weekend, and maybe a few showers scattered around as we head late into the daytime on Sunday. A look at the next 7 days, partly cloudy to mostly sunny with low to mid 80s, and then more clouds and a better chance for about a 40% chance for scattered showers or storms on Sunday, and then cooling back into the low 80s again for the bulk of next week. Some really nice weather still out ahead of us in the next several days. Here's a look at yesterday's sunset near Topeka from Beth Wyatt with hardly any clouds in the sky. We may end up with a gorgeous sunset this evening. That is one thing a lot of times the high thin clouds that we have out there right now are really good at, is really coloring up those evening sunsets. We've got nice weather to enjoy it. Should have a beautiful evening out there. Get out and enjoy what you can this evening, but it's not like we're not going to have good weather still out ahead of us. We've got a lot of it still ahead.
All right, thank you. I'm looking forward to it.